I'm Jamie Dempsey, and I'm on a quest for a mysterious cloak mentioned only in the vaguest of rumors. Everything I've heard points towards the southern Philippines, where the old ways still live in the Manobo warrior tribe. It is said that their priestesses can weave a cloak from the threads of my life, recording my past and blessing my future. I'm on a quest to find the priestesses and prove myself a warrior worthy of such a gift. In this leg of my journey, I'm riding across the island of Cebu, picking up skills from its unique warrior culture. My journey across the Philippines has taken me from Manila to Panay and now to the island of Cebu. I need to get to the port of Cebu to catch a ferry to my next destination. But for now, I'm in Alegria, a mountainous municipality over 100 kilometers from the bustling Cebu metropolis. What's drawn me here are the Kawasan Falls, a three-tier cascade of water fed by mountain springs. A paradise deep in the jungle. Getting there means parking the bike and taking a 3-hour trek through a canyon carved by a millennia of rushing water. I envisioned a hidden sanctuary, but in reality, the falls attract thousands of visitors every year, and locals provide tours, helmets, waterproof bags, and anything else visitors might need. One does not simply walk to the Kawasan Falls. The way is filled with obstacles, and the canyon's entrance is guarded by a jump off a 15-foot cliff. This is it, the point of no return. After I jump this 15-foot waterfall, there's no turning back. It's a 3-hour trek. Wish me luck. Is a 4-kilometer water park only nature can design. After the first jump, everything else seems much easier and more fun. Best water slide ever! When the fun wears off, the trek gets genuinely tiring, and I struggle to stay sharp. According to one story, someone dies every other year because the forest spirits want to collect 60 souls as payment for the disturbance of their peace. I really don't want to be one of them. Just when I think I can't move another step, salvation arrives in the form of sausages. Every morning, food vendors mysteriously appear near the end of the hike, presumably via a secret path that doesn't involve the obstacles I've just been through. After about 2 or 3 hours of climbing rocks and jumping waterfalls, I'm about to take my last big jump, and then I'll be rewarded to see the Kawasan Falls. I can't wait to see them. I've been warned about this last jump. Even riskier than the first. But there's no way to go back. I'm scared. The only way is forward. And down. All that hard work, this is the reward. The Kawasan Falls, where the cold, clear waters of Kabukalan Spring feed out of the Kanluab River. It's been a 3-hour trek, but this view has definitely been worth every step. The Kawasan Falls took 3 hours to hike, and I'm exhausted. So I'm heading to Cebu City to recharge. That means a 3-hour ride, and I ain't getting there without at least one stop along the way. Thank you. Whoa. I think this bathroom's cleaner than I am. You guys gotta see this. Back home, gas station bathrooms are usually the worst. This is a nice treat. Private time. With its strategic location at the center of the Visayas, Cebu City is where most of the trade, work, and life in the Visayas converge. This is where I'll find much of the urban conveniences and, of course, the inconveniences, like bumper-to-bumper traffic. The traffic in Cebu is almost as bad as it is in Manila. Happy thoughts. Happy thoughts. Time for me to unwind after my hike. First on the list, food. Make that lots of food. But what I've heard Cebu is really well known for is the sunugpa. Sunugpa refers to anything that's been grilled over charcoal, and you can find it on the streets, in restaurants, basically anywhere. Really good. Nice and tender. It's got a little sweet flavor from the barbecue. I love it. After food, there's shopping. One of my favorite things to do is to buy men's shirts and cut them up and customize them just for me. I think my shopping's done here. Stomach full and shopped out, finally, it's time for a bit of sightseeing. The Cebu City Zoo is half zoo, half charity. Most of its animals were rescued or confiscated from traffickers. Hi, Father Giovanni. I'm Jamie.
Oh, say, good morning.
Good morning.
Giovanni, yeah.
I came here today to offer you some zookeeping assistance.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So you're not afraid of animals, wildlife, and everything?
I love animals.
You love nature?
All kinds.
We're gonna start with birds of prey, like the hawks. You're gonna feed it?
Yeah, that's awesome. So their food is chicken, but it's
Yes.
just very in raw form.
So since you would like to feed one, I'll
Yeah.
let you try.
All right.
Okay.
Slimy. Come here. Don't be afraid, buddy.
Put it here.
Oh! There you go. All right. He likes a little privacy.
This is called the serpent eagle.
He's beautiful.
Yes.
Oh, and he's that tame. You can hold him.
Yeah, no gloves or nothing.
Wow. Doesn't hurt, no?
No, no.
Hi, bud. Hi, Charlie. Go. There you
See?
go. Hi. Charlie's story is typical of animals in this zoo. Father Giovanni found him in his house, injured and unable to fly. After being nursed back to health, Charlie refused to leave and became one of the zoo's star attractions.
I'm gonna put this down. I'm sure it's
Getting a little heavy.
Heavy, yeah. Then
Alright,
we're gonna
I'd
check
love-
some other animals. Is that okay?
Yeah, let's see what else you have
See?
here. Bye, Charlie. But Father Giovanni says he wants to introduce me to the zoo's bigger celebrities. I'm just not sure why. I have to take my shoes off first. Sit here.
Yes.
Oh my God! Ah! Is he gonna eat me?
Not now.
I've been near snakes, but never one this large.
Really? Yeah.
Like, really. 2 of them? Oh my God.
Go and see.
Ah! Oh my God, another one! I'm getting surrounded by snakes. Wait, this
Abandoy.
one looks a little lumpy. What did he eat that looks
we,
like that?
We give them a pre-killed chicken.
That's more than one chicken in there.
Yes.
Snakes get killed all the time by panicked people. So Cebu Zoo offers a special activity with their Burmese pythons, hoping visitors will overcome their fear.
I'm gonna let you try what we call here snake massage. I'm gonna let your hands up, put up some snakes on you.
This is crazy. Oh my God. Ah!
No need to shout.
He's heavy.
Yes.
Oh, he's moving. And it feels really creepy. I can feel the muscles moving around and he's very, ooh. It's very smooth.
Then you could feel their muscles also moving.
Moving, yeah.
And that's what they call the massage.
It does feel like a massage. What a nice pillow you are. Okay, guys, we're just gonna take a little nap here, okay? Just a little nap. Go to sleep. The island of Cebu has a proud history of firearms manufacturing centered on the town of Danao. But George, a lieutenant colonel of the Philippine Army Reserves, has offered me a gunslinging lesson right here in Cebu City.
This particular firearm is an Armscore 1911 9mm pistol. Armscore is a Philippine manufacturer and it's a very good and well-made firearm. You need to put the V of your hand on the firearm. There you go. And then you wrap your fingers around it. You need to have your feet shoulder width apart and with your knees slightly bent so you're comfortable and stable. And then you need to align your sight. You can see it?
Yep.
All right. Try to pull the trigger. There you go. Wasn't that nice?
Yeah. Gets your heart going. I think I'm shaking a little bit. Next comes a .45 caliber pistol. Okay, feels heavier.
Yes.
An American defense against fanatical Filipino swordsmen. Smaller caliber weapons couldn't stop them, but a .45 could knock them down.
There you go.
Yeah.
Let's see how well you did.
I hit in the same spot like every time.
I think what's happening is that you're anticipating the shot, so you're sort of flinching, but that's all right. Maybe we should try an even bigger one. How's that?
Bigger than that? finally, one of the most widely used assault rifles in the world, the M4 carbine. Okay, is it all right if we change the target? Maybe something a little scarier to give me some motivation?
You're just in luck. We just put in the zombies out there.
Ah, that's perfect. It didn't kick back as much as I thought it would. Yes! I got him right between the eyes. That is how you kill a zombie. I'm definitely taking this one home with me.
Great job.
My ferry leaves tomorrow morning, so I've decided to spend the rest of the day on Mactan Island. Legend says the first Spaniards landed here, but were defeated by masters in the Filipino fighting art of arnis. Now I want to learn arnis from one of the experts, Bob Tabamina. Some of the world's most famous arnis schools hail from Cebu, including the Balintawak School. Started in a backyard along Balintawak Street, the school had no grading, no formal syllabus, and no uniforms. Its founder developed it for one purpose: to fight and win. It is said that the school's founder was imprisoned for breaking a challenger's spine. While in prison, he taught the art to Bob Tabamina. Today, Bob has combined what he learned with other martial arts like karate and judo to form the Tabamina system.
Okay, hold the stick here.
Hold it here.
This way, and just relax.
Okay.
Your defensive position is this, on right foot forward, man.
Right foot.
Okay, if I'll go to do one, you block here with the left hand to touch, not holding.
Okay.
You have to feel it and then make a response. One, no, just relax. I know. I told you it will not harm you.
Okay, relaxing.
Stop. Yeah.
Block each strike, and then counterattack right away. Those are the basic principles of this art. It's hard to not react. It's like when I see a fist in my face, I flinch.
Of course, that's instinct.
Yeah,
I
so you
know.
have to fight the instinct.
Yes,
It's
you have to
simple.
fight your instinct there.
All right, let's keep going.
Yes, that'll change your mind.
The simple principles mean most people get pretty effective within a very short time. But am I one of those people?
Get in there. And finally, you got it.
Yes! I got it. I definitely can see, though, how this would help me in everyday life. I need to remain calm, be aware of what's around me, and just react without thinking. That can help me on the road. Thank you, Bob.
You're welcome.
It is said that local chieftain Lapu-Lapu used arnis to defeat the first Spanish conquistadors. Several professional troops enact this historic battle on the battle site. And as luck would have it, I've arrived right in the middle of one of those enactments. I know this is supposed to be a reenactment, but it looks pretty real. These guys are fierce. One Spaniard left. And he's down. The biggest show is on the battle's anniversary on April 27th. I'm a couple of weeks too late for that, and the sun is about to set. but I still want to join the fun. Here I am with Team Filipinas. Let's see if I can be a good sidekick to Lapu-Lapu here. Are we ready to fight, guys? Let me hear you roar! Roar! Ready, charge! Legend says the Spanish opened with cannon fire, which scared the local warriors. But they overcame their fear and went back into battle. Pick the right side because by tradition, only the Spaniards bite the dust. Also by tradition, the last Spaniard to die is their leader, Ferdinand Magellan. And the killing blow is always struck by Lapu-Lapu. I'm still 370 kilometers from my destination. So tomorrow I'm catching a ferry to Bohol where I sharpen my knife skills. Woo! Almost lost a finger. Visit the underworld and earn a tribal tongue. I don't think I'm going to be able to remember all of this. But tonight, the troupe is doing the whole act over again. And I'm just going to sit back and enjoy the show.